If you want to know how to make $400 a day promoting Clickbank products, then keep watching. Hey, what is up guys? Abhishek here, back with a new video. So firstly, I would like to apologize for not making videos for such a long time. Now I'm back and I'll make daily videos. For those who are new here, I'm Abhishek from Cash 360 and I make daily videos on making money online. So if you are interested in it, consider subscribing. So guys, making $400 a day is pretty easy if you do what I say for 3 to 4 months consistently. I guarantee you'll get the results. So today we'll be making use of free traffic and we'll try to scale up till 400 to $500 a day. So let me share you the blueprint first. So the free traffic I'm talking about is none other than YouTube that you're watching now. So guys, this is the best source of free traffic. It converts as hell because it is video advertising platform and you can explain clearly with the help of videos. So what you do is you create two YouTube channels. I hope you have Clickbank account. If not, you can create it by going to clickbank.com. It's basically a affiliate marketplace. You go here and you click on create account and you create it, and then you can check out the marketplace. So guys, here you can find affiliate marketing products for like any niche. Here you will get products on any niche, but I'll suggest you picking a product on either health or e-business or self-help, because this converts the most and it actually solves a problem of the people. So that converts the most. Choose products and yeah, green products also converts well. You can choose from these four niches. For example, let me go to health and fitness, and I'll sort results by gravity, and let's see what comes out. Don't choose product with a very high gravity because chances are you won't profit much with it. Okay, so yeah, this is a pretty good product, but it has a very high gravity. So select something which is good and as well as it has a medium to low gravity. Let me open the website. Okay, so this looks very good. Interface is very good. Let's say that I'll be promoting this product.
Okay, there.
Okay, wait,
If you've
stop.
ever
Let
tried
me
to lose...
Let's say I'll be promoting that product. I'll click on promote, and then I'll create my affiliate link, and then I'll shorten it with Bitly or Google Shortener, anything. Then what I'll do is I'll create two YouTube channels based on health niche. Okay, and every day I'll post one video on each channel, so that becomes two videos a day. And what I'll do is I'll try to rank first, just focus on making quality videos, and second thing is make videos that doesn't have much results on YouTube. Okay, if you want to know about ranking on YouTube, then I can make a video for it. If you want to know about it, then please comment down below. I'll make a video soon. So what you do is you will be making two videos a day and you will be ranking it, and you will try to rank it. Okay, so let's say, let me open the calculator. So let's say you're making two videos a day, and that becomes 2 into 90, which is 3 months, which is 180. Yeah, it's easy calculation. I don't know why I opened calculator. So that is 180 videos you have created. Now I'm sure that at least 30 to 40 videos of yours would be ranking, and because it is a quality video, what you will do is at every video, in the end of the video, you will be recommending the product that you are promoting, which is the 2-week diet. Okay, if your videos are of good quality, then surely at least 5 to 10% of the people will convert. So what you will do is, you will create the videos, you will send them to a landing page. Now, to create a good landing page, you need two things. One is the email opt-in. You can get it through get response. It actually costs $15. The basic plan starts at $15 a month. The link will be in the description. You can go to it from there. I guess they even provide you some trial for some days. And the second thing you need is the InstaPage website. That it is a tool basically that helps you create uh, professional landing pages. With GetResponse also you can create landing pages, but they are not so professional. If you are broke, then I'd suggest you buying only GetResponse, paying $15 after once the the trial pack gets over. So what you will include in the landing page? First thing would be is the description, a small title, 2-line title, and then a good video explaining about the product. You can create either this kind of landing page, or else you can create a landing page that gives the customers the value, like you can provide a free ebook or something like that, that gives value, because people love value. If you give some value, they'll surely subscribe to you. Okay, you create it, and then you provide the ebook by saying that please put down your email ID and your name so that we can send your ebook. In that way, first thing is you capture emails. Email capturing is the best thing you can do while promoting products, because once you have captured email, you can send them as many offers as you can. Okay, so you can do these two kind of landing pages. And the third thing would be is to obviously send them to the affiliate offer. Okay, now here very less people only will convert, I know. Okay, because they don't trust you. So let's say only 5% of the people convert. Then what you do is, as you have their email IDs, what you do is you will continue creating quality videos, YouTube videos. Then you will send these people to your videos, and as they build trust on you, as you are promoting the product on each video, they'll surely, one day or the other, they'll surely buy it. Okay, in that way you'll have a lot of conversions, say 15%. What was your startup cost? It was just $15 a month, and how much you are making now? More than $400 to $500 a month. But wait, let me tell you something more interesting. If you guys are too lazy, and you don't want to go through this step, this is a pretty easy step, but if you don't want to go through this step, there is a system which is called CB passive income. That does everything for you, and the system will run on autopilot. You just have to send the traffic from YouTube to the landing page. Even the landing page are created by them. Okay, I guess they help you create it. Basically everything is done for you on autopilot. I guess it's $97. It costs you $97. Wait, let me check it. You can come and read about it here. See, yeah, it's $97 one time. It's waste spending $47 every month. Better you can buy $97 package. Okay, once you do it, these all steps are done for you, and it's set on autopilot. You just make YouTube videos, you talk about the product at the end, and then you send the traffic to them. That's it. They help you, and they get the sales, and they get your commissions. That's it. So guys, only buy the product if you have money. It's completely worth it. I have tried it. It's completely worth it. It helps a beginner a lot. Okay, but anyhow, if you're broke, then don't go for it. I won't recommend you. You just invest in this, which is Get Response email marketing tool. It's just $15 and you get almost everything, autoresponders as well as a landing page. Okay, you don't even need to invest on Insta page. That's $15 investment for $400 a day returns, which is pretty awesome. So guys, that was a small video on making $400 a day by promoting Clickbank products. Hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.